Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Reclaim AI and Motion AI. Now, if you don't know what these two are, Reclaim AI is a smart calendar tool that auto-schedules tasks, habits, and meetings by syncing with your calendar. It is great for work-life balance and time blocking. Now, let's head over to Motion AI here. Now, if you don't know what this one is, Motion AI is an AI-powered productivity app that plans your entire day by automatically scheduling tasks, meetings, deadlines with priority-based adjustments. So, for example, it is your priority is your meeting, so you can set the priority of that meeting to high, and it will actually notify you first. Now, as you can see, as you've noticed, these two apps are very similar. So let's go over their pros and cons. Starting with Reclaim AI here. Now, the pros of Reclaim AI is that it has smart time blocking for habits and tasks. It syncs well with the Google Calendar, so basically you can do it from your phone, your tablet, your PC, your laptop, or anywhere that has Google in it. It is also good for recurring routines and focused on a work-life balance. Now, the cons of it is that it only works with Google Calendar, and the UI can be confusing sometimes, and you have less control over task prioritization. Now let's head on over to Motion AI. Now the pros and cons of Motion AI is that the pros of it is that it auto schedules based on deadlines and urgency. It combines calendar, tasks, and projects very well, and it also prioritizes high impact work, and it has a slick interface. Now, the cons of it is that it can be expensive, so yes, you are locked behind a paywall. As you can see, try Motion for free. That basically means that it has a paid plan. And then sometimes reschedules get too aggressively, and then the learning curve for new users is a bit high. So, if you don't know how to use this, it may get confusing for you if you just starting out. Now, which one is right for you? So you should choose Reclaim AI for smart, flexible scheduling habits, and choose Motion AI for full day planning and deadline-driven productivity. So you should just use Reclaim AI if you want a relaxed work-life balance, like reminders or normal things that you do in your day. And you should choose Motion AI if you want to get things done, basically. And yeah, that is it. That is the difference between these two. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.